I'm out this afternoon to fly my Mini 4 Pro. And many might ask, well, why do you fly? Well, the answer is really quite simple. It's because I love to fly my drone. Why purchase a drone if you're going to let it sit on the shelf and not use it? So I find flying to be cathartic. It really is just that simple. And it is interesting to see the world below on a different day. Now, today it is an overcast day. Now, today I'm going to fly in the HLG mode. So I'm going to go into settings, camera, and place this on HLG, the HLG color profile. All right, there we go. And come out to the main screen. And as you can see, lower left-hand corner, I'm set in the Pro mode. So I'm going to tap on the shutter and ISO area down there. Here we go. And tap on auto for both of those and let the drone determine the correct ISO settings for these conditions. ISO is 100, good. So I'm going to lock that in. And the shutter speed is 1/240. I'll take that and lock that in. What about white balance? Let's go back out. Right now, white balance is set to 5500 K or Kelvin. I'm going to tap on that. And at the very top there, I'm going to select auto. And the drone brought that down to 5300 K. So I'm going to accept that and lock that in by tapping out auto again. And I'm flying at 4K 24 frames per second. That's what I want to do. So I've acquired 17 satellites. My histogram looks good. So I'm gonna start recording and I'm going to take off. And I'm gonna take it straight up. And as you can see out there, it is definitely overcast. In fact, we have a winter advisory tonight at 9 p.m. Let's go about 200 feet. That's good. And let's go over in this direction here. You see, here's the thing. Each time I come out here, there is a different look. Why? Because it is a different day. Now, I know many don't understand it, they don't get it, but I do. Just looking at that from above, it just does something for me. So let's go forward for a while. And moving quite along, they're moving at 26 miles per hour. I'm flying in the normal mode. It's almost like driving. What you see below is the Rappahannock River in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Fredericksburg is a very nice city. Not too big, not too small. And my speed is about the same. So, and that tells me there's not a whole lot of wind. There are power lines just below. I know that they're there. That's why I fly at this height to go above them. I know one of these days a bird is going to get me because there are lots of raptors out here, eagles and hawks. Now, I'm going to be careful with that area down below. That's Ficklin Island, and I know there are tons of eagles down there, so I'm not going to take any chances. In the HLG color profile, you normally don't have to do a lot of color grading, if any. I might do a little. So I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna generate a return to home and let the drone land itself. Make it easy on myself. And it should land right to the left of the Jeep. And there it is, I can see it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the flight. I certainly did. Until the next video, you guys take care.